Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Production function. Production function states the relationship between inputs and output, that is the amount of input that can be produced with given quantities of inputs under a state of technical knowledge. The inputs are the different factors of production like land, labor, capital and enterprise, and the output is obtained in the form of goods or services produced. Production function can be expressed as minimum quantities of various inputs required to yield a given quantity of output. Cost function is associated with production function. So Q is a function of x1, x2, x3 like that, where Q is the quantity produced during a given period of time, and x1, x2, x3 like that are the quantities of various inputs used in production. Analysis of production function. The production function of a firm can be studied by holding the quantities of some factors fixed and while varying the amount of other factors through the law of variable proportion. The production function can also be studied by varying the amounts of all factors. The behavior of production function when all factors are varied is the subject matter of the laws of return to scale. The theory of production or production analysis is also concerned with the explaining the combination of inputs a firm will choose so as to minimize the cost of production. Production optimization. Every manufacturer wants to achieve maximum production at minimum cost by setting up an optimum combination of the factors of production called production optimization. Product optimization phenomena may be demonstrated through certain graphic representation. Isoproduct curves represents this best combination of several alternative cost methods open to him to produce a given output at lowest cost. Isoquant or equal productive product curve. An isoquant is the line drawn through the set of points at which same quantity of output is produced while changing the quantities of two or more inputs. Isocost lines. The isocost line is combined with the isoquant map to determine the optimum production point at any given level of output. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.